Hey guys, it's Bob from Skillz. With all of YouTube's recent policy changes in regards to monetization and the 1,000 subscriber threshold for 1,000 hours of usage within a year, I thought I would start a new playlist that would help small-time YouTube creators such as myself grow their channel in the cheapest possible way. So with that being said, I am going to start a new playlist to help YouTube creators such as yourself and anybody that might be watching. So if you're a small-time YouTube creator, or if you're a new YouTube creator, or even if you want to be a YouTube creator, I'm going to start this playlist for you. I'll try to add to this particular playlist once a month. We will go from there. Today's tips and tricks for small-time YouTube creators is going to be lighting. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing for my lighting to make it a little better. So here we go. I wanted to get lighting that had multiple purposes. So I went to Walmart and I picked up these two clip-on lamps. For this project, I would only recommend LED bulbs, as the filament paper is going to be very close to them and they don't emit that much heat. Why did I get two lamps, you ask? Well, I go into that a little later on in the video. Really, you can pick up these kind of lamps anywhere, but the cheapest I found them was at Walmart. As you can see here, they're $7.97 on their website. I swear I paid a little less for that, but it's still not a bad price. These lamps work out perfectly on the top of my desk, as you can see. They afford me great flexibility as I can move them around and put the lighting where I need it the most. As you can see, it's very inexpensive to pick up this kind of material. So, as you know, you can get diffuser fabric pretty much anywhere. As I'd shown you earlier, there was a 1 yard by 60 inch. I mean, that's 3 foot by 5 foot, if I'm correct. Sheet of fabric, which would definitely more than do the job for $5. But I did get myself a bag from my cell phone provider, and it's made of that same material, that silk fabric, that silk diffuser type fabric. So I'm going to actually use some of this and cut out pieces so that I can use them as diffusers. Save a little bit of money. The radius of the lamp is 5 inches, so we'll need to make sure that we cut the fabric at least 6 or 7 inches. I managed to get 6 7-inch circles of the material. And I did this because I want to make sure that I can layer them if one layer is not enough for the proper lighting. You can use just one of the lights if you're just sitting there reading the paper or some ads.
All right. I want one of everything.
Or if you're watching your favorite YouTube channels.
Sweet. Hey, narrator. This guy is awesome. It's called the Moosescrapper. You should go on over to his channel and subscribe. He's trying to get 50,000 subscribers before the end of the year. He is totally awesome.
Okay, I'll do that. And I'll put a link down below. I turn on the second light as well whenever I need to do any sort of cell phone repair, tablet repair, PC repair, anything that needs some extra lighting. Good job, Bob. Okay. Both lights are on, and they're on me. They don't have any filters on them, though. They don't have any of the filaments on them as of yet. As you probably can tell, I'm maybe a little overexposed. I probably look like a ghost. That's kind of to be expected. I've got two lamps kind of beaming down on me like this. But when we put the filters on, it'll actually dampen some of that light and create that softbox effect so that you'll get better lighting.
So this is another great use for neodymium magnets, guys, out of hard drives.
Where the lamp head is magnetic, it only seemed poetic to use neodymium magnets that I pulled from hard drives. Another great use for those magnets.
After all was said and done, I felt that magnets were the best choice to go with, because obviously this housing is magnetic. You don't have to worry about string or anything like that. Alright, so we got the first layer of film on there. We'll see how I look. Let's see. What do you think, guys? Do you notice any difference? If you don't notice that big of a difference, you can actually put another layer on, which is really nice. It'll dampen it even more. Like, I can put these layers on, and as you can see, it kind of makes it slightly darker. I mean, you've definitely got a lot of uses out of these lights, which really cost you maybe about $22. I mean, if you get them for $8 a piece at Walmart, and you get $5 worth of this softbox silk nylon paper, you got yourself 2 softboxes to actually help you and aid you in your lighting. The only thing I'd recommend over what I've done here is the bulbs that I'm using. You want to use LED lighting, by the way. You definitely want to use LED lighting, because it's very close to the bulb, what we're doing here. And LED lighting emits very little heat. Any other bulbs, I wouldn't recommend doing this. As you can see, there's many uses for these lamps, these clip-on lamps, and you can clip them pretty much anywhere. You can use them for reading, or if you're just sitting at your desk, you know, watching YouTube videos like me, or if you need to use precision tools and you need a little extra lighting, you can have both on, or you can use them for lighting for vlogging, or you know, YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. I would recommend the cool bulbs. I've got the warm bulbs, which emit more of an orangey type of color, like a warmer orangey type of color. The cooler bulbs are kind of more in the blue/white spectrum. Those more naturally emulate daylight and would be better for filming. I just don't happen to have any right now, so I couldn't demonstrate that. But I would definitely recommend those if you do the same thing that I did here. So thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. My next goal is 10,000 subscribers, and I know we can do it. We're on a momentum, and I bet you we can make 10,000 before the end of 2018. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.